Hello friends, I am Kuldeep Pukale. In last lecture we covered grinding machines. Now today we are going to discuss about grinding wheels specifications. There are two methods by using this grinding wheel can be specified. First is geometrical specification and second is compositional specification. Now we will see one by one. This is the geometrical specification of the grinding wheel. Here different type of shapes of grinding wheel is shown. The first type is a straight type. This grinding wheel is used for cylindrical, centerless and internal grinding purpose, and also it is used for surface and offhand operation. This is a straight type structure, so it is called as straight type. Second is cylindrical type. Is surface grinding on horizontal and vertical spindle the grinder. In that time this cylindrical shaped grinding wheel can be used. Then tapered shape, tapered type. This tapered shape, the end of the wheels are tapered shape. It is called as tapered type. This type of grinding wheel is used for snagging operation. Tapered sides lessen the chance of wheel breaking, so that this tapered grinding wheel is used. Next type is a recessed. Figure is shown in there. This type of recessed grinding wheel is used for cylindrical as well as centerless, internal and external surface grinding. Recesses are provided for clearance of the mounting purpose. Straight type, straight cup type is a cup in section. This type of cutter and tool grinder surface grinding on horizontal and vertical grinding machine. Next is a flaming cup. Flaming cup. This type of grinding wheel is used for cutter and tool grinder, used mainly sharpening, milling cutters and reamers. For sharpening, milling cutting cutters purpose, this flaming cup type grinding wheel is used. And last type is dish type. This type of shape grinding wheel is used for cutter of thin edge, permit to the use of narrow slots. For this purpose this dish type grinding wheel is used. This is the geometrical specification of grinding wheel. Now we will see the compositional specification. This compositional specification are some parameters. These parameters are the type. First is the type of abrasive. Second type is the grit size. Third is the bond strength of fill, the structure of grinding denoting the porosity. Last one is the type of bond material. Now we will see one by one of the parameters. According to this parameter, the grinding wheel is specified. The first parameter is the type of abrasive. There are two types of abrasives are there. First is natural and second is artificial. In natural, the abrasives are sandstone, emerty is in natural aluminum oxide, and diamond grit. And in artificial or manufactured is aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, or CBN. CBN means cubic boron nitride. This is the first parameter, the type of abrasive. The next parameter is the grit size. First of all, we see what is meant by grit. It is nothing but abrasive size which create impact on material removal rate and surface quality. The large grit is a brick grinding capacity and rough workpiece surface. Fine grit, it is small grinding capacity and smooth workpiece surface. This grit size is specified. Here shown is the grit size is a 10, 12, 14, 16, 20 up to 24. It is a coarse. In medium, grit size is 30, 36, 44, 46, 54, 60. In fine, there are 80 to 180, and very fine, it is 220 to 600, shown in table. This is the second parameter of the specification of the grinding wheel. The next is bond, type of bond. The bond means holding strength of abrasive which has increased by different materials like resin, rubber, etc. These different materials are segregated by giving alphabets in English A to Z. This soft is up to A to H, and medium from I to P. In hard, it is Q to Z. It's shown in table. The next parameter is the structure of wheel. The relative spacing between abrasive particles is referred as structure. The structure has two types, open structure and dense structure. In open grinding wheel, more space is present between abrasive particles and it has a short life. On the other hand, dense structure wheels are used for longer life and for finishing purpose. The open and dense structures numbers are shown on table. The type of bonds table is given. This is the abrasive wheel as specified by using these parameters as like this 51 A 60 K 5 V 05. It means that the first number of 51 is a manufacturer's identification. This is manufacturer's identity code. Letter A denotes that the type of abrasive is aluminum oxide. The number 60 specifies the average grit size in inch. The letter K denotes the hardness of the wheel. Next, the number 5 denotes the structure or porosity of the wheel. It may be open or dense. This 5 number then the letter code V means that the bond material used in vitrified. Then last number 05 is a wheel manufacturer's identification and identifier. So this is the specification of the grinding wheel. Thank you.